This episode tackles diagnosing a malfunctioning mechanical keyboard that drops or repeats keys, a common repair puzzle. Safety first, unplug the device, then inspect the PCB for bent pins, loose switches, and damaged traces while prepping a multimeter. Next, reset the USB controller, test each switch for actuation, and reflash the firmware if the keyboard responds inconsistently. If problems persist, isolate the fault to a solder joint or a stubborn switch, and replace it using a soldering station. Pro tips include cleaning with compressed air, using ESD protection, keeping firmware backups, and documenting findings to sharpen future diagnostics.